Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, lover of all things good, and today we're doing another unboxing. So we did our kind of tour de France with our Le Creuset and also our stove skillets and multi-use pans and dome lids, but now we're bringing it back to the United States. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications, give me that thumbs up, drop by, say hello in the comments, or at least just say, a comment or hi. I appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. It means the world to me, and I love you for watching. But I actually have some KitchenAid accessories that I'm gonna show to you today. As you remember, probably about a year ago, I got my brand new KitchenAid Artisan. Love it, use it almost every week, sometimes every day. I make keto biscuits, I make keto waffles, I make keto cinnamon rolls. I also do my keto cauliflower mash. I'll drop the videos here spontaneously for you to see and click on hopefully too. But it's a great versatile tool, but I got some other accessories for it, a glass bowl, and then I'll be doing a separate unboxing showing you the new silicone whip, or kind of, I guess, say whipping tool, or it's like a little bit of a scraper actually, that's really great for being able to kind of help combine ingredients quicker. So stay tuned, more to come. All right, so first on the list, we have, this is the KitchenAid. This is the 5.5 quart or 5 quart glass bowl, which is compatible with the KitchenAid Classic, KitchenAid Artisan. This is for the tilt head design, which is what I have, which I'll bring over here in a moment. And it's a great tool for the kitchen. I got this actually at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I used my 20% off coupon. You can't beat that. And it was actually already on sale as well. But it's a beautiful bowl, and because I do YouTube, I do a lot of YouTube recipes, I thought it'd be fun to actually show you exactly what's going on inside of the bowl. And this glass bowl enables that. So it comes with an actual, I think this is like probably silicone, I'm not sure, but it's actually a dishwasher safe, top rack only, and this is a cover, so you can actually put things in the refrigerator if you want to save it for later. And it has a little bit of styrofoam, of course, packing materials. I like when things are actually well packed because it is glass, so you want to make sure it's securely packed. So here's the bowl, right here. I'll put this over here. And here is the lid, so it kind of just nests nicely on top. It's not like an airtight seal, but it's really nice to be able to preserve things if you have something that you don't want to actually put like in Tupperware or in like Saveware or whatever. This is great. So like for instance, I'm making cauliflower mash, which is one of my favorite things to make. I can just go ahead and leave it in there if I want to. I usually put it in Saveware, put this on top, and put it right in the refrigerator. Or if you like want to chill some dough or something like that overnight, whatever you want to do, it just gives you a lot of versatility. It also has these measurement marks here too. So it has up to from 1 cup to 12 cups, and from 8 ounces up to 96 ounces right there. So I'll zoom in so you can see that. But a really great little tool for measurement to just make the cooking experience that much more easy. So super excited about this, love it already, and can't wait to show you more. I'm gonna grab my KitchenAid Artisan so you can actually see it on there and see how it actually looks in relative size as well, all right? KitchenAid Artisan. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fix it like this. It has these nesting feet on the bottom, which fix into this groove design down here. Just like that. And you can lock it in place. It's great, so love it. Thanks for watching, more to come. This is the KitchenAid, this is for the tilt head design. This is the English side, I'll show you the English side. It's the tilt head flex edge beater, which is great for being able to help combine ingredients faster when you're mixing them, but it also helps scrape the bowl for faster ingredient incorporation. That's the actual marketing language on the packaging, but it's dishwasher safe and it's also coated metal, but it also has this like kind of nice silicone piece there, which is great. So, but please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications, but I'll go ahead and show you right now what's inside, so stay tuned for more. All right guys, so inside of the packaging, I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I used my 20% off coupon, love those. And comes in a little bit of plastic, very simple, opens like that, and it has this nice little locking mechanism that goes on the kind of power head or motor that has the attachments or the actual connections for the, I guess little accessories you use, like the hook, there's the wire whisk, and then also there's another beater, but this one actually has the flex edge, which is great for being able to really get in there and scrape things along the sides, which I'm excited about. So there you go, more to come. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.